The 2027 BMW X7 looks less like a family SUV and more like a luxury flagship built to dominate the road. Welcome back to Auto Tech Report. Today, we are taking a detailed first look at this 2027 BMW X7, finished in black sapphire metallic with a full black interior. From its imposing front end to its spacious three-row cabin, this SUV is designed to combine presence, performance, and first-class comfort. Up front, the X7 makes an immediate statement. The oversized BMW kidney grille sits tall and wide, framed by slim LED headlights that give the SUV a sharper and more modern expression. The lower bumper is heavily sculpted with large corner intakes, dark mesh sections, and angular trim that adds a sporty M-inspired character. The hood has strong power lines that flow toward the grille, making the front look broad and muscular. Black sapphire metallic works especially well here, reflecting the surrounding villas and palm trees, while keeping the entire design clean, aggressive, and premium. Large black and machined alloy wheels, a high belt line, and substantial body proportions remind you that this is a true full-size luxury SUV. From the front three-quarter angle, the long body, upright cabin, and tall roofline become much more obvious. The X7 has the road presence expected from BMW's largest SUV, yet the sharp lighting and smooth side surfacing prevent it from looking bulky. Gloss black trim, dark window surrounds, roof rails, and wide wheel arches create a cohesive and sophisticated appearance. At the rear, a full-width red LED light bar stretches across the tailgate and visually widens the vehicle. The centered BMW badge, clean X7 lettering, dark rear glass, and large roof spoiler give the back a confident, modern look. Lower down, the bumper is wide and muscular, featuring a deep black diffuser and large rectangular exhaust-style outlets with metallic surrounds. The design feels sporty without losing the luxury character. Viewed straight on, the rear looks planted and symmetrical, while the three-quarter angle highlights the X7's long sides, large wheels, and commanding stance. Inside, the full black cabin delivers a more serious and executive atmosphere. The dashboard uses a clean horizontal layout with a curved digital display that combines the driver information screen and central infotainment interface. The graphics show navigation, media, vehicle settings, and driving data with a realistic BMW-style presentation. A thick, round BMW steering wheel sits in front of the driver, while the broad center console includes a crystal-style selector, an iDrive rotary controller, physical shortcut buttons, cup holders, and a large padded armrest. Metallic trim outlines the dashboard, vents, doors, and console, adding contrast without breaking the all-black theme. The front seats are finished in perforated black leather with supportive bolsters and detailed stitching. The large panoramic glass roof brings natural light into the cabin, while the black headliner and pillars maintain the dark, premium atmosphere. The second row is one of the strongest areas of this X7. Two individual captain's chairs provide generous space, deep cushioning, and a business-class seating position. Between them is a large center console with controls and storage, while the backs of the front seats include integrated display panels. Rear passengers also receive dedicated air vents, climate controls, premium door trim, metallic speaker grilles, and soft ambient lighting. The wide doors and large windows make the cabin feel open, and the panoramic roof extends the sense of space above. Behind the second row, the third row remains visible, confirming that the X7 is built as a genuine three-row luxury SUV, rather than a two-row model with occasional extra seats. This 2027 BMW X7 combines classic BMW identity with a darker, more aggressive flagship design. The black sapphire metallic exterior gives it maximum presence, while the full black interior adds a refined and executive feel. It looks powerful from the front, wide and modern from the rear, and genuinely luxurious inside. For buyers who want a large 3-row SUV with bold styling and premium comfort, this X7 could become one of the most desirable full-size luxury SUVs of 2027. What do you think of this new BMW X7 design? Share your opinion in the comments and subscribe to Auto Tech Report for more future car reviews and first looks.